Hey, what's going on, guys? Got a little surprise update for the both of us. I'm not too sure how to take it, but you'll see in a second.
Carol, why new fucking doors? Could have probably just done Bondo just to be, but I don't have Bondo, so here we are.
Well, for starters, zero interior left in. Gutted the whole car. She's all gone for now. But there's a little surprise. Little sneak peek. But yeah, ripped the carpet out. And what do you know? Big old rust hole. Probably the size of my fist. Only way to get her gone is to get her gone for good. There's all the sound that came through the floor. Part of the metal just breaks. But it's not as bad as I thought. This can all be cleaned up pretty easily. But that's where it gets kind of soft. Still kind of hard. Probably a couple little tack seam sealer, get that bitch good. Good enough. She's pretty chopped. But yeah, after all that depressing stuff, got all the fender wells out yesterday, fender liners. Rusty old bitches, I swear, rusty. More sand and shit that was in the trunk. This is the less depressing. Got the new BCs in the front installed at least. DS. Forget what it is in the front. 6K rears, they're not in yet. She'll be looking a bit better than this, I swear. Trust. Okay, remember when I said I thought the rest of that was fine back there? Check this out. Well. She's a real Flintstones car now, boys. Jesus, fuck. Here, need something? There you go. Well, here's the predicament we're in now. It was the Flintstone car, 2-foot drive. Now I got the passenger. She's 4-foot drive now. But get that hole fixed. There was a tiny little hole right where the flashlight is, and it was just took the screwdriver, went straight through. It was just took the screwdriver and it went straight through. I don't know. It's probably gonna lag. Low battery just popped up on my fucking phone. But that's how she's looking for now. 4-foot drive Flintstone mobile drift car. Let's go. So I was on my way to go get some steel to fix the floor. Yeah, it's shit outside, but everybody's in the ditch. Truck, trailer. I've already passed like 10 cars. Got halfway down the fucking road, couldn't even get through. They say, oh yeah, there's a truck coming to pull out fucking 15 cars. Like literally like a line of 20 cars. I should have taped it, but it was chopped. I swear. People don't know how to drive nowadays. It's fucked. Take your time. It's fucking winter. She's icy. Jeez. Okay, so I don't know where I left off because I filmed it the other day. But there's the rear section. Rear spot I cut out. Back plate. There's where I shoved the fucking screwdriver right through it. was literally just mush. So just cut that whole piece out. There's part of the front piece, the back half of it, and there's the top half. Yep. And that's what the front half of the floor looks like. Real pretty. I'll show you the plates I made in sec. Got them all painted, cut out. One second. Yeah, here are the plates. It's pretty simple. Just made out of cardboard. Easy, quick, 1, 2. Cut it out of metal. Same with this one, rear one. Simple plate. Weld through primer. Easy, quick, 1, 2. Get the rust all gone. Oh yeah, just quick before I actually get all this done. Gotta clean this up. Got a wire wheel. Got another little rock grinding bit thing. I don't know what to call it. And just clean up the edges, get it ready for the weld through primer and stuff. Just clean and prep it all so it welds a lot better than how it fucking looks. Well, I got most of the floor all prepped for the pans, the new floor pans to be put in. I thought it'd be a lot easier, just rip the whole carpet out just so I can just look at all of the floor, whatever. Start ripping the center console apart, I was like, what the hell is that? There's no way. Thought it was a little bit of drugs. The shitty kind. I'm just kidding. But someone left some fucking weed in here. Some of that ganj. Brown as hell. Like, what? There's actually no way. Phone don't even. Look at that. That's that high quality. That's super high quality. Well, after finding that little bit of green stuff, I got the carpet out, all the interiors out. Rusty pedal, broke the foot pedal trying to get it out. Whatever. Gotta fix. Look, you can't even see. There's a little bit of cheddar cheese, Swiss cheese in the frame rail. Whatever. It's barely anything. I'll fix it. It's all prepped, ready for some weld through primer. Some quick 1, 2. Just gotta clean it up quick. Some degreaser, water, wipe her down. This already has the weld through primer on it. This one's already prepped, ready to go, ready for the plate. Soon. Alright, so I haven't worked on the car in a couple days. Came out here to get this all prepped, tack the floor in, and then found a couple more problems. First, there was this little, I'm not even showing nothing. First, there was this little one. Cut that out. Started getting more of the sound deadening off, getting your way down. Little one, big ass rot hole to the side, like not the actual frame, but the frame of the body. I guess it would be right to the floor, all rotted out. Had to cut all that. Oh shit, low battery. But yeah, it should clean up pretty easily. Get it fixed pretty easily anyways. One plate here, cover the side. One here, 2 little ones, cover that, cover this one, and then put the big floor pan piece I showed on right over top. That's gonna take a little bit longer than just, so yeah, I'll make a part 2, be out in a couple more days, I don't know when, but yeah, thank you, like, comment, subscribe, peace out.